1st, 1986, and we're making our first test recording here on my new camcorder, the infamous Panasonic PV-300, which we just got today, a little while ago. There's the box. Look at that. We're in natural room light, by the way. I've been waiting to do this for an awful long time. Alright, there we go. Still unpacked. You decent? There's the wife. She's going crazy.
Goodbye.
I've wanted this for so long. Hold on. We make our first edit here. Our first jump goes. There she goes. Okay. I keep getting light flashing here. Well, anyway, let's see how this autofocus works. Well, it still seems to be in focus. I don't even hear it focus. Well, here we go. We're going to play it back and see how she came out. And bye-bye.